So this is the curry chicken part 2. As y'all can see, I've thickened up my old gravy. Oh my God. So we're gonna get one out of there. Let's see. You will get this out of there. Oh my God, it looks so tender. It's a Nestle Toll House morsel. We're gonna transfer the anointing over here. Okay. I want y'all to look at that. Now that's curry chicken, okay? Wish my damn phone would fucking focus. Dumb shit. My wife and Jasmine and Zion has already tried it. They say that it's good. I'm finna try it. That's that curry. Yes, I got it on low. That's why it's still bizzling. That's why it's still, but I want y'all to look at that gravy. Look at that gravy, y'all. Can y'all imagine that being over some rice? Look at that. Ooh, look at that sting. Mr. White, you can't get me. There ain't no way in this world. I'll smoke you, boy. I'll smoke you. Y'all better come get some. Miss Beth, I got your messages, baby. We love you too. Man, that looks delicious, bro. You can tell us that curry. You see that yellowish. I can't wait to sink my teeth. No, I haven't ate off the fork yet. I just got it, so. But yes, sir. That's that curry, baby. That's that curry chicken. I got my soup on. There's my little piece right there. Don't let nobody tell you Munchkin can't cook now, okay? Yes, Lord. Got my little soup on. It's got about 4 hours and 29 minutes left. Yeah, it's about 4 hours and 29 minutes. I ain't gonna open it. I'll wait. Because I'm gonna do some plate. I'll take some video of the plates tonight. I just wanted to let y'all see, munching off the chain with that now. Let me see if I can. Oh, and it's so tender. It's so tender. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my Luther Vandross. A house is not a home. Look at that. Look at that. Look, 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 look. Come on, thing. Focus now. Look at that. I told y'all, there's 3 things I'm good at. Singing, flapping, and cooking. If my damn thing would focus, I'll be all fucking right. You were just about to focus. Jesus wept. If I can get to focus on something. There it is. All right, guys. That's it. God bless you all.